Welcome to CCNA Lab. Today we'll learn the first commands you'll type on almost every Cisco device. When you first connect to a Cisco switch, you'll see the greater than symbol. This is called user exec mode. Here you can only run basic monitoring commands. Configuration is not allowed yet. Type enable and press enter. Notice the prompt changes from the greater than symbol to the pound sign. This is called privileged exec mode. Now you have access to advanced commands and you're one step closer to configuring the switch. Next, type configure terminal. This command takes you into global configuration mode, where you can change the switch settings. Now type hostname S1. Immediately, you'll notice the prompt changes from switch to S1. That's because you've successfully renamed your Cisco switch. Let's continue by configuring the management interface. Type interface VLAN 1. This enters the virtual management interface that allows you to remotely manage the switch. Now assign the IP address 192.168.1.2, 255.255.255.0. This gives the switch its own management IP address. Next, type no shutdown. By default, the interface may be administratively down. This command activates it. Finally, type exit. Now type end. The end command takes you out of global configuration mode and returns you to privileged exec mode. Next, save your configuration so it isn't lost after a reboot. Type copy running config startup config. When prompted for the destination file name, simply press enter. Your configuration is now safely stored in the startup configuration. Let's verify everything worked correctly. Type show IP interface brief. You should see VLAN 1 with the IP address 192.168.1.2 and both the status and protocol showing up. To verify the complete configuration, type show running config pipe section interface VLAN 1. This displays only the VLAN1 configuration, including the IP address and the no shutdown command. Finally, move to your PC and type ipconfig. Verify that your PC is in the same network as the switch. Now test connectivity by typing ping 192.168.1.2. If you receive replies, congratulations! Your management IP is configured correctly and the switch is ready for remote management. Congratulations, you've completed your first Cisco Mini Lab and your switch is now ready for remote management. Thank you for visiting IT Step by Step, your space for networking, commands, CCNA, cybersecurity certification prep, practical lab tips, and more every day. See you in the next one.